Hello, welcome back again with me, Stefani Ernes Adisti, and this time I'm gonna translate a procedure text from English as the source text to Indonesia as the target text. Then I will also try to follow the steps. So without any further ado, let's move on to the recipe. So guys, today we're going to cook a simple menu, or we can say it as a tips, which this recipe tells how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. Dan in Indonesia, it means cara membuat telur rebus padat sempurna setiap saat. Pada di sini artinya bentuknya tetap oval, layaknya bentuk telur utuh pada umumnya. Sedangkan setiap saat merujuk pada menu atau tips yang bisa kalian terapkan kapan saja saat kalian ingin menggunakan tips tersebut. Hard in here means that the shape of the egg doesn't change, just like oval like the other normal eggs, because the word hard doesn't always mean keras. Meanwhile, every time refers to the menu or tips that you can use as a guideline for cooking at any time you want. So for the first step, place these eggs in saucepan and add enough water to cover the eggs by 1 inch. In Indonesia, it means masukkan telur ke dalam panci lalu tambahkan air secukupnya hingga menutupi telur kira-kira sampai di atas telur itu sedikit. 1 inch doesn't always have to be the absolute measures, which must be exactly 2.5 centimeters. Next, bring the eggs to a boil over medium heat. It means rebus telur dengan api sedang. Then remove from heat and cover the pot. It means setelah itu kita bisa pindahkan atau angkat panci dari kompor lalu tutup dengan tutup panci tersebut. After that, let's stand for 12 minutes. For creamier eggs, let's stand for 10 minutes. It means setelahnya kita bisa diamkan atau tunggu selama 12 menit. Sedangkan untuk telur yang lebih creamy atau yang lebih lembut, soft di dalamnya, kita bisa diamkan selama 10 menit. Then drain and transfer the eggs into a bowl of ice until cold enough to handle for about 5-10 minutes. It means that tiriskan telur dan pindahkan telur ke dalam wadah atau baskom berisi air es hingga cukup dingin, kurang lebih sekitar 5 hingga 10 menit. Eggs can be refrigerated up to 1 week. In Indonesia, it means telur bisa disimpan dalam kulkas hingga 1 minggu, or we can say that telur bisa bertahan selama 1 minggu jika disimpan di dalam kulkas. Okay guys, that's all for me. You guys can also follow these steps with the link below. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also turn on the notifications. Stay healthy, keep happy, and God bless.